Mambo. Babaji. Hello.
I think chicken is better. Try the chicken one, Momo.
हाम्रो मेला अर्गनाइज गर्नु भएकोमा हामी आभारी छौं हैन
Just working hard right here. Thank you. Hi guys. So I'm going to this Nepalese mela. Can't believe it's my first time. I heard that the mela is right here on the 76 between Roosevelt and then the Broadway. Oh, I can hear Nepali music. अब नेपाली बीचमा यस्तो क्यामेरा लिएर जाने हो it's gonna feel weird So my sister is here, so I'm just gonna like see her first, take the kids there together, okay? I'm getting so super stalked, but I'm waiting for my twin nieces. Oh, Mifam is there too. Mifam is there too. Iji, who's that good-looking guy? Who's that good-looking guy? Hi. Oi, cuties. Mom kissy. East or west? Say it loud.
Chandu's the best.
You the best.
Mila.
Yeah, one is sleeping. Mila. Arko sudeछ Yeah, look at me. Hey, दिदीहरु कहाँ छ रे? बान्जा बान्जीहरु यहाँ छ हैन. This is nothing. You're gonna see more. 이제 다다 동상 क्यामेरा 킨 되지 않는 거 같아. 못 쳐. 못 쳐. Kids are sleeping. Hey, दिदीले फोन गरेछ है. Let me call. Momos crunchy right here.
Hey, हामी 76 मा अब. तपाई?
Hi.
Can I stay outside?
Yes, have a good day.
बारुको छमा हामी खानु.
3 here and 2 right there. Oh, Tashi. दिदीहरु पनि भेट्यो आज जोस. Sonam right there. Mifam, give me hands. Mifam, give me hands. Give me hands. Give me hands, give me hands. Give me hands, I said. Hey, my boy. Hi. I love your haircut. Namsa, where's my hugging? Oh, I love you. Look, I love you.
Hi.
Sonam.
Huggy.
Hello, my Chandu.
Kids, Sonam, I love ya.
Love you too. How
Hello,
was it?
EJ. Tashi dale. Oh my. Sonam, Tashi, let me see your card. Namsa, let me see your card. Oh, Namsa, you're gonna vlog today. Okay?
Oh my god.
All right, the pro vlogger here. She's gonna vlog. Let's go.
Oh my god. Can we go to the hot pot right there?
Hot pot? You wanna go to the hot pot?
Yes. Starving. The only food they brought from Linda's is fruit by the foot.
But we're gonna get momos.
I want hot pot.
No, we're gonna get momos.
I want hot pot. If I break it, it's not my fault.
Hey, Babaji. Daju.
नानीहरुलाई रमाइलो छ
रमाइलोहरु जाउँ
बच्चै बच्चा छ अगाडि
है
हामी सबभन्दा ज्याक्सन हामी सबभन्दा ह्यान्डसम मान्छे यहाँ छौँ
Hold with both hands if it's needed. Tôi chỉ để đóng chạy đâu này.
Hey, Miss Blogger.
Namse.
It's good, Adu.
Vlog सुनिरहेको ए तिमीले के यो गर्दैछ कता फिफ्थ एभेन्यूमा छ तिम्रो दोकान हो ए ल ल ल गुड Look at this.
Wow.
I'll see you, man. I'll see you. But yeah, we can try checking in.
तपाईँ के स्टल छ तपाईँ कहाँ छ र त्यो अगाडि हाम्रो त्यो टिकट भनेको
अर्ध मिलेन नि त
डाउन हाल्छु के छ हेर्नु पऱ्यो नि ल दाजु है You show this.
What is that?
You have to ask people questions.
Well,
Let's sit. Turn the Let's sit. Turn the Come. Look, Momtash is there. Momtash is there. Look. Look, your Momtash is there. Go say hi. Go say hi.
hi, Namse.
Sleepy. Yeah.
Listen to say now.
Cranky.
Cutie. Natashi mo ikchi down. No, leave it there. I'll pour water for you. Okay. Is it yummy?
Yeah. How much?
यो एउटा यहाँ दियो के दुईजना मात्र खाने के हो
Kab namin ito.
क्यास मसँग छ इजी क्यास मसँग छ के हेलो दाजु
You know what?
Instead of like just shaking.
You're such a nice mentor. You're such a nice mentor.
Look, no,
that
show it to
you
Momo.
needed to
Show
do
it
that.
Show it to Momo. Hello, Didi. What's up? Happy Dasai. What's yeah. एकछिन है इन्टरभ्यु लिइरहेछ यो मान्छे के गर्न आउँछ यहाँ हाम्रो निम्जी दी चाहिँ हाम्रो यहाँ अर्गनाइजर है के भन्नु छ दुई शब्द
Thank you for coming.
दुई शब्द भनेको थ्याङ्क यू रे द्याट्स इट
थ्याङ्क यू फर कमिङ अनि के
तिमीले दुई शब्द त भन
त्यही त तिमीलाई चाहिँ के भन्नु छ ल
मलाई चाहिँ हाम्रो मेला अर्गनाइज गर्नुभएकोमा हामी आभारी छौँ होइन कहिलेकाहीँ हामीलाई पनि सम्झिनुहुन्छ धेरै अब सेलिब्रिटी भएर नबस्नुहोस्
सेलिब्रिटी
ए ठिक आएन या यो यहाँ आएर छ हेर न हेलो
Wow.
के एक्लै आएको यहाँ थोरै मान्छे भएछ आज यहाँ खै केटाहरू आएन So please do a good job, okay?
Oh wow. If I do a horrible, you know what? If I do a horrible
Say hi,
job,
say hi, say hi.
I'll blame it on you.
Show her.
If I do a horrible job, this is your fault because you're technically my mentor. So that means you had horrible teaching.
Then show nicely like this, right? Yeah, like this.
How is your hand
Tarjan,
so still?
Tarjan,
How is
hey,
that
please.
shaky?
Tarjan, no, hey.
How's
Kita
your
now.
hand shaky?
Fall and say hi.
Hi, Nan.
Hi.
Hi, Nan.
It's she's not feeling well, so
Stop tilting it.
Taji, what are you doing? What was that?
I was just making it look around.
Okay.
It's not my feet, but foot. Hi, Tashi. Hello.
What's that?
Yeah, who's that?
Bro, I have the same name as you. Where's the number?
Let me see what else. Pani puri right here. So now, what do you think?
Really good. I had a lot of fun.
Yeah?
I ate momo.
You ate momo?
Yeah.
Still kind of heavy.
I think like we should put her into sleep now. So now hold this. Namsa, please hold.
Pani puri.
Get chicken one.
Chicken?
Back to the pani puri.
That's ours? How much? $8.
Thingy.
Where is it?
I think it was like either there. It was either there or there. I don't remember. Can you hold this? I want to eat my pani puri and then explore.
Mifam, come.
Use it. That's it.
Look after Mifam, okay? What?
How much was it?
8. You want more? You want more?
No. They want to.
Come, let's get momos. Cost of panpuri is it?
I got it. Oh, you gonna record?
I need to talk to you one second. Where did Mifam go?
Oh.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much.
Mifam.
Here, that's you holding.
Can you hold it? You can touch it.
Let's go. Let's go. Yo, Mifam, let's go. Mifam, get him. Grab his hand. It doesn't matter. Grab his hand. Oh, sorry. Momo.
Hello, why in my face?
I think chicken is better. Try the chicken one, Momo. Whichever one is the chicken, I think that's
Chicken
the
is
best.
better?
I think so. Mommy said.
good.
It's good. You have chicken one, right, Mama?
Yeah, you like spice?
No, I'm okay. I already ate.
Eat.
I was okay. I'm full.
I said you like it.
Thank you.
What do you think of the beef?
Bro, what do you want me to do about it? Go slow-mo and eat it?
That's beef. That's chicken.
So, Mountain, what are your opinions, Mountain Dew?
What?
What are your opinions?
I like the chicken better. Oh, no, it's okay. Say hi. You guys want juice? Juice? Wait, suka. Lagi kau mana tak?
It tastes exactly like watermelon. That's it. That's a shit. Just with the watermelon.
Alright, siapa jadi? Daura ni. Working hard right here. Organic, did I? Organic. Alright, cheers. Share with me, fam, please. 내가 같이 쪽으로 가자 하고요. 야, 제일 두고. 야, 제일 두고. 야, bro, hai bên nhau nữa là. Thank you. Ah, it's good. Guava is good. All right, I have to get back to work. Sonam, see you soon. EG, see you soon. Kids are sleeping. That's it. Peace out.